Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. AmandaRachLee here, NaturallyAds on YouTube. So in today's video, I finally had some happy mail. I finally got to my AmandaRachLee Doodle Planner at last. So it took a very long time, but I know there was some customs and shipping problems with DHL in Canada and the UK, which I am from the UK. So they did give me back my shipping if it didn't come before the new year, so I did appreciate that. But it was very stressful waiting so long, especially because I wanted to make the videos, all my videos that I had planned to come out before the new year. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Today I'm just going to open it live on camera, find my reaction, see it's unopened, and then do a quick flip through. Yes, of course. I got black. That was all that was in the pocket. I got black because it had the silver foiling, and I love silver. Ooh, the glare of the ring light. I'm sorry, just ignore it. If I hold it like this, you can't see the glare that much. But yeah, and this planner is thick. Like everyone was always saying it's thick, but like this is really actually, it feels so heavy. Like as soon as I got the delivery, I held it and I knew it was the planner. So this is the planner, so you ignore the glare. The AmandaRachLee Doodle Planner for 2020 with the 12-month planner with all the themes on the cover. So the front and the back. So now I'm going to open it. My nails won't let me open it. Oh, what should I use? I'll use this. I'm so excited for this. I don't want to mess it up. Okay, so it feels so smooth. I know this is the vegan leather, I believe. It feels really smooth, and then you can kind of feel a little bump where the foils are. So this is the sleeve it comes in. So I'm just going to slip it out the sleeve. There's some, I don't know what this is. I don't think this is meant to look like this. And down here, don't know if this happened in postage or what, but I don't mind. But the one thing about black is that just touching it just makes it dirty, and I always have greasy hands because I'm always putting my hands in my hair, so I'm gonna have to be wiping down this planner all the time. So sorry for all of the grease on the planner everywhere. All the finger marks is like having a black phone. So it has the strap, of course, to hold the planner together, and it has a pen loop. So we're gonna open it. Okay, so it's the first page. Inside it has a how to use the doodle planner. So this planner was created to be a hybrid between a calendar, a journal and a colouring book. The dated calendar pages and weekly spreads can be used as a normal scheduling tool. The illustration can be used to colour in with whatever colours you choose. There are also some blank dot pages scattered throughout for you to create your own spreads and to write down daily thoughts. Here are some tips for the other pages. I can't read clearly. So the customized, so for the favorites, some pages have spaces for you to write down your own headers, e.g. things to check out, monthly faves, monthly habit trackers. Feel free to use the same every month or change it up month to month. So the trackers and then the mid trackers, so you can customize these things. And this is a letter from Amanda to us. And the things that are underlined are there are no rules, and then this is just the beginning. So yeah, this is the first page. So the planner belongs to, I'm going to get a sticker to put here because I don't want to ruin it with my handwriting, because my handwriting is not the best. So this is the first page. So I'm just going to flip through it, and then a quote, I cannot speak, and then a quote page that says, "Let the new adventures begin." It's a 2020 overview from January to December. It's Monday to Sunday, luckily. I don't like it when it's the other way. So some reflections of highlights from last year, something I learned last year but I'm grateful for but I intend to leave, and then goals for this year, which I will definitely be using these pages, and then things to check out. There's 4 things here, and then a blank dot page, and 1, 2, 3, there's 3 blank dot pages. Let's see, does it lay flat? Yep, it does lay flat. And then we have January, so it has a quote page, and then January. So the January theme is constellations, is that what it's called? And then we have our monthly overview with a note section. Then we have our habit trackers. We have 369. We have 9 habits to track. I don't think I need 9, but I'll use 2. And then we have the mood tracker. I'm very excited for the mood tracker because I haven't used one before, so I was most excited for that. And then we go to this page. It's a goals page and favorites, so monthly goals and favorites. And then there's one dot page here. So once I set up everything, then I'll show you guys what it looks like. And then we go to our week. So the first week, this is the current week, we are now here, so I'll probably backfill in the rest of the days. And then week 2, week 3, week 4, and week 5. Oh, that's cool. This week in my Erin Condren is in the February section, but here this is in the January section. This is my anniversary. And then we go to February. So everything is the same basically, it's just different themes. So now we're just going to quickly flip through each month. So just February is my favourite month because it's my birthday month, but yeah. Okay, also, I just found them now. I forgot to mention there are 2 bookmark dividers, so I'll probably put one in the monthly overview and then the other one in the current week. Okay, so now that we've gone to the end of December, there are some more blank dot pages at the back. So we have, let's just check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 13 blank dot pages, and then we have 2020 reflections for the end of the year. And then we have one last quote page, and then we have a blank page here, and then the pockets. So I'm really excited to get started in this. So the paper in this is said to be able to withstand any medium. That means any sort of pen or anything that you put on top of it. So you can use paints, you can use markers, you can use Sharpies, a whole lot. And I do believe that because this paper feels thick. So I'm really excited to start playing around with this and to, you know, wipe it down from all my greasy hands. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know you've been waiting for it. I have also been waiting for it. And be on the lookout to see my video showing you all the spreads I've added into it. But once a month I'll probably do a video showing you how I colour in that current month and what I use that blank page for. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below if you yourself have a AmandaRachLee Doodle Planner or you intend on getting one for yourself. And if you have any videos of you like setting up this planner, be sure to leave them down in the comments so that someone else can watch it and I can watch it, because I'm very interested to see what everyone else is doing. If you're from the UK and you've got one of these, comment down below so I know I'm not alone in this planner world of UK girls. I know I'm not, but just in case anyone else watches my videos. But anyways, I'll see you in the next video.